Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Auth0 for mobile login in seconds. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Auth0 website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with several options to register. Choose to sign up using either your email address or a social login option. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Make sure the password meets the security requirements displayed. Once you fill out the necessary information, click on Sign Up. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Auth0. Open the verification email and click on the provided link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Auth0 login page. Enter your registered email and password to log in. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Auth0 dashboard. Here, locate that Applications section in the left sidebar. Click on Applications to create a new application. Select Create Application and give your application a name. Choose Native as the application type for mobile login. Click on Create to finalize your application setup. Next, navigate to the Settings tab of your newly created application. Take note of your client ID and domain. These credentials will be used in your mobile app for configure any other necessary settings, such as callback URLs, according to your app's requirements. Once set, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. You are now ready to integrate Auth0 into your mobile application for user authentication. Follow the documentation provided by Auth0 for further integration steps. Your registration and setup in Auth0 is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.